Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account from Instagram. So I'm gonna show you right now. It's pretty straightforward process. You can do this on iPhone, on even I think it works on PC and on Android devices. So let's get started. This is on iPhone. So go to your profile picture here on the right side on the bottom. Click on where you go on your profile. Go to these three lines and go settings and privacy. Go to accounts center and here scroll down a little bit. Go to personal details. Here you go to account ownership and control. And here you go deactivation or deletion. And here you can choose your which account. If you have multiple accounts, you can choose. It can be even Facebook, you can delete from here. You will see if you have logged in here. So I want this one to delete. And here you can deactivate or you can delete from here. So if you think you don't want, if you want temporary it to deactivate, you go on the first one. If you want to delete it permanently, you go to delete account on the second option. Click on continue. And if you, here's a reason, for example, if you want to give it a reason, so for example it's something else, for example I don't want to give it a reason, to continue. And here you enter your password. And after you entered correctly your password, here you can confirm your permanent account deletion. So from now on, if I click on this one, delete account, I will be no longer be online until on August 31. So it's like 1 month, and after 1 month it's gone. So it's gone, account is gone. So click on delete account, and we're gonna wait a little bit. And as you can see, now it's scheduled for deletion. So pretty much it logged me out. I am no longer on Instagram online. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and see you in next video. Bye.